Hello, welcome to the video series on algebra. In the previous video, we learned how to use Venn diagrams to illustrate set operations such as intersections and unions. We also learned about the relations between sets such as subsets and supersets. In this video, we will see how Venn diagrams can be used to illustrate the set's complement and relative complement. The complement of a set is the collection of all elements which are not members of that set. If we have some set A, then the complement of set A is the set of all elements not contained in A. When we say that the complement of a set is the collection of all elements which are not members of that set, we must first agree on what is meant by all elements. The set of all elements is called the universal set or the universe and is typically denoted by the capital letter U. This universal set could be anything, but the critical rule to remember is we need to define this set very clearly to remove any ambiguity. For instance, let's say Miss Jane Doe defines the universal set. The set contains all the inhabitants on Earth. Her definition of inhabitants may only include people and four-legged animals like dogs and cats. But to Mr. John Doe, inhabitants may also include birds and reptiles. Now, if we define set A, the set contains only human inhabitants, then the complement of the set A contains only the four-legged animals from the perspective of Miss Jane. However, from the perspective of Mr. John, the complement of set A contains also the birds and reptiles. If we clearly state that the universal set contains Earth inhabitants which are only either human or four-legged animals, this would help remove the ambiguity from the definition of the universal set. The complement of are now the same for both Jane and John. If we have a set A, then we can label the complement of that set A by writing the set's name with a bar over it, or with a superscript C, or a prime symbol. As another example, let's say that the universal set is the set of all integers, which as you may recall is designated by the letter Z. The set of natural numbers is contained in this universal set, so the complement of the set of natural numbers is the set of all integers which are not natural numbers. In other words, all the negative integers plus the number 0. Using set builder notation, we can define a set's complement formally as: the complement of set A is the set of all elements X such that X is a member of the universal set U and X is not a member of A. Alternatively, here are a couple more ways we can write this. In this video, we learn how to use the Venn diagram to visualize the complement of a set. Also, we learned how to use the set builder notation to define the set complement. In the next video, we will spend some time looking into the relative complement of a set. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please post any feedback or questions to the comment section below.